Good afternoon, everyone. This is Abhay Bikram Singh. I'm here to introduce you about a new startup. And at first, I would like to welcome you all to this new world of entrepreneurship. So, I have said I'm going to introduce you about a new startup. So let us keep it suspense. Why I have called it new startup, unique startup. Let us keep it suspense, and I will tell you later. So before that one, I would like to tell you about a factual thing. What that is happening right now in our daily life. That every student just move to the house to school every day. We can see it. Means each and every it's daily routine of the student to move from house to school. And during this period, a student spend total of 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours of his daily life in the school. And he bring a little bit lunch, and in the morning time, what does he eat? A small breakfast. He just take that one. And it's this we have searched out through the Google that hungriness means hungry. How long does it take to become hungry for a student? So the answer was that one. It only take 2 to 3 hours. Means after 2 to 3 hours, a student become hungry. इतने समय के बाद 2 से 3 घंटों के बाद एक स्टूडेंट क्या होता है? एक स्टूडेंट को भूख लग जाती है. So we have seen this great problem and just come to the solution, that is. And what does the hungriness create? What does the hungriness create? Because of the hungriness, a student is unable to concentrate on study and affect the health of the student. Is also affect the student health of the student. So we have seen this problem, and now come to the solution of that one. That is, we have created this new canteen, that is Khatta Meetha, a new startup that is Khatta Meetha. Ab swad hua, our tagline is Ab swad hua sasta. Means we are providing the delicious food in the cheap cost. Now I've called this is a unique startup. Why I have called this? Because this startup is initiated by the IRS students. We the students are just we the students have created this startup. After that, we have the strong executive summary. हमने एक strong executive summary create किया है जिसमें this is Abhay, that me as a CEO. He is Amrish Ram Tripathi as the CFO of my company. He is CSO and CEO of my company, Satyam Naik, and she is Drishti Singh as the CMO of my company. So now I would like to tell a factual things about whatever happens. मीन्स जब भी कोई भी इंसान, कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट अगर अपने लाइफ में कुछ नया करना चाहता है तो उसके गार्जियन से अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट मांगता है तो उसके गार्जियंस क्या बोलते हैं कि बेटा कुछ पढ़ लिख लो, इंजीनियरिंग करो, डॉक्टर बन जाओ, कुछ नया चीज़ करने जाओगे तो जरूर कोई ना कोई तुमको रोक दे. मीन्स गार्जियंस ऑलवेज वांटेड दैट हिज चाइल्ड और मीन्स हिज चाइल्ड शुड बिकम ए इंजीनियर और डॉक्टर, नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स. सो हम लोग इतने लकी हैं कि हम लोग के पास he is the person who has given this golden opportunity. Mr. Prashant sir as a career class, means who has started our career class and given us many of the teaching values to learn something. And this is our whole team. We are very much thankful to the Prashant sir that he has teaches us many things that we have learned from him, many things. And now I would like to introduce to my product, whatever I am going to sell it. That is, we have kept this product after many of the external analysis. We have created samosa, rupees, and the cost price is mentioned below that one. We have used litti chokha. Means we have used this one because litti chokha जो होता है कि स्टूडेंट के हेल्थ के लिए, because let me tell you. Sir, this is our product. Litti samosa we are selling it at the cost of 15. Litti chokha at the cost of 20. Bhelpuri at the cost of 15. Sir, we have chosen these product because of our unique selling proportion. Proportion means new idea. Means what was the idea behind that one? कि लिट्टी चोखा हमने क्यों चूज किया? लिट्टी चोखा जो होता है सर, मतलब ये इतना हेल्दी हाइजेनिक होता है ना, पेट के लिए इतना मतलब होता है ना कि गार्जियंस डज नॉट मीन्स गो टू ट्रीट एज our previous team, whatever who has presented here, she has talked about the threat that guardians are the threat, कि वो guardians जरूर complain करेंगे कि हाँ ये unhygienic food है, ये नहीं है. तो we have chosen this one because कि लिट्टी चोखा जो है ना वो हाइजेनिक भी है, पेट को इतना फायदेमंद देता है, पेट एकदम साफ रखता है और मतलब पेट एकदम जबरदस्त लगता है. और आफ्टर दैट वी हैव यूज्ड द भेलपूरी. भेलपूरी में हम लोग ऐड करेंगे मूंगफली, पीनट etc., which provide the nutrition to the body. We have focused on all over the things. And our third product is samosa. At the cost of 15, we will serve the two samosas, 2 pieces, and the litti 2 pieces at the cost of 20, and bhelpuri per cone 10 rupees. Now it's time for the marketing strategy. So we have used this marketing strategy, WhatsApp group. We will use the WhatsApp group which was created. मीन्स हमारे स्कूल में व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हर एक क्लासेस के बने हुए हैं, तो हम व्हाट्सएप प्रॉपर ग्रुप के मेंटोर से बात करेंगे, एडमिन से बात करेंगे और उनसे हेल्प लेंगे कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट जो है उसका एक प्रॉपर इमेज बना के उसके ग्रुप में डाल दिया जाए, ताकि बच्चों को उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सके कि कल का प्रोडक्ट होने वाला है. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हेल्ड अ क्लास मीटिंग ऑल्सो. ड्यूरिंग द लंच टाइम वी विल गो टू द क्लासेस एंड हैव द मीटिंग विद द स्टूडेंट दैट बाबू ये हमारा सामान है और ये मतलब आपकी जो स्ट्रेटजी आप बताइए कि कैसे हम सामान को बेच सकते हैं. एंड एट लास्ट आई हैवंट मेंशन्ड वन थिंग, वी विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द नोटिस बोर्ड टू. हम नोटिस बोर्ड का भी हेल्प लेंगे कि हमारे स्कूल में प्रॉपर नोटिस बोर्ड है. हमारे स्कूल में प्रॉपर नोटिस बोर्ड है. वी आर गोइंग टू पोस्ट आवर आइटम ओवर देयर. वी आर गोइंग टू पोस्ट आवर आइटम ओवर देयर. सो एट फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेस्ट मीन्स रिक्वेस्ट टू बाय CSO टू सर्व द प्रोडक्ट. Sir, as the product is in your front, you can test it, and our ROI is 100,000 rupee for the 10% investment. ROI is. At last, I would like to thank you for the hearing us, and at last, I would like to ask for the support from us. So you can test it. Rate of returns. Sir, in the litti chokha we are earning 50% off. Sir, 1,000 rupee, 1,100. We give 10% of that. Yes. Sir, 10% we have chosen it because means we have to see all the marketing values. Means we are providing us effort. Means litti chokha will be our means self-made. It should be not ready-made. And जब हम जाते हैं बाहर से उस ठेले पे से सामान लाके यहाँ पे देते हैं, अनहाइजेनिक होता है. सर मैंने ये बहुत नोटिस किया, इसकी वजह से बच्चों का हेल्थ जो होता है वो भी बिगड़ता है. तो वी हैव चूजन दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इट शुड बी सेल्फ मेड.
Due to samosa and litti chokha, I have a lot of you have a lot of opportunity to sell in the schools. That's why I am taking interest to invest 200 rupees in your company. And I have invested 100 rupees in team 1. So I want to revise my investment that I want to invest 200 rupees in the team 1.
My God, sir, after Bhavane, I am investing 100 rupees.
Thank you, sir.
100.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Sir.
This is Shailesh. Although I'm not fortunate enough to taste it having fast,
Yes, sir.
but it seems nice
Yes, sir.
and the smell is also.
Thank you, sir.
So as it is indigenous for potatoes, so you have taken care of the health and hygiene also
Yes, sir.
of the customers.
Yes, sir.
You are not intent to get only
Profit.
huge profit.
Yes.
So that is a very good point.
Yes, sir.
So I'm quite interested to invest. And 200 rupees I decided to invest in your. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून, माई सेल्फ अक्षय कुमार पांडे. प्रोडक्ट आपके दोनों बहुत अच्छे रहे हैं और प्रेजेंटेशन भी आपका काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है.
Yes,
तो मैं 200 रुपीज़ इन्वेस्ट करूँगा आपके प्रोडक्ट में.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Myself Akshay, and your presentation was very energetic and very good. And the product that you have mentioned here, that is bati chokha and samosa along with that. And samosa will be preferred by the students mostly. And
Yes, sir.
the new dish that is like you can say innovative idea.
Yes, sir.
That is about Bati Chokha. That is very fruitful for the students,
Yes,
and that may give us very healthy profit.
Yes, sir.
But I am saying here that you are returning us very less amount. That is only 10%. Then I am not thinking that it will be a very profitable condition to invest in your company. What do you say about this one? Can you increase the rate of interest and the rate of return?
Good afternoon everyone. So why we returning you less amount? Because as we know that student don't have enough money to bring in the school, and parents do not also allow. They have only less amount of money to bring in the school. So that's why we are giving you less return on your investment.
Selling will be in very less amount, as you are pre-minded and you have pre-decided that students are not coming with the money. Then how can you sell them? And why are you going to invest in your company?
Sir, actually we didn't meant any kind of mentality that the selling will be less. So we are just thinking that कि बच्चे जो होते हैं माता पिता से जितना अफोर्डेबल फेवरेबल कॉस्ट ला सकते हैं उतना लाते हैं. मीन्स वी आर नॉट थिंकिंग दैट वन कि वो इतना ही लाएंगे, बहुत कम ही लाएंगे, बहुत कम ही खरीदेंगे. हम ये नहीं सोच रहे हैं. वी आर थिंकिंग दैट वन कि हम जो लिट्टी चोखा बना रहे हैं उसमें मतलब हम वी आर just providing our labor effort also. We are just keeping all the miss point in our mind. We are just providing the 10% of ROI.
Okay, I am satisfied with your strategy and answers. And keeping in mind your all the dishes, I am going to invest in your company 250 rupees. Thank you.
Thank you so.